Now you go to jail, you do your time. How much you do? About what, 4.5 years?
I got 5 years, 4 months. So, bro, I signed a plea agreement for 109 months. I signed to the lower third of the sentencing guideline. I signed to 109 months. I qualified for the safety valve. A lot of people talk about this safety valve and they say you got to tell to be awarded the safety valve. Now, to break that down, because that's one that we missing that I need to, but this is the time for it. So when I come through my bro, what happened with me is they was holding me at an average roll when I got arrested. They was holding me responsible for the sale of 150 kilos or more of cocaine, okay? That was my charges. A conspiracy with intent to distribute 150 kilos of more of cocaine. And I was held at an average roll, like I said, which is my offense level, which puts me at 74, I believe, on the sentencing guideline, on the grid. That's where it takes me from 0 and 1 to 74 or whatever it is, I believe, or 34 or whatever it is. It puts me there from that charge, okay? That's what they charged me with. And I signed my plea for 109 months. I was awarded the safety valve. Now, the safety valve has 2 articles. Article 1, you can qualify for the safety valve by cooperating in a timely manner, not cooperating with the government against a defendant, okay? Not snitching or telling. Cooperating in a timely manner means the government presents you with information that they have against you in their affidavit of indictment, and they're explaining to you why they indicted you. These people said these things about you. We took it to the grand jury. They issued us an indictment, and here we are today. Okay? So, out of the 11 statements that are here, you have to admit to 11 statements. If not, then you could zip your shoes up, nigga, and we're gonna take you to trial because you're not cooperating. To cooperate with the government means that when they tell you what these people told on you and they telling you what they charging you with, you can't argue with them. If you argue with them, try to say, no, I didn't do that. He lying. All right, then get your attorney together. We going to trial then. We'll figure this out in court. That's how the courting system goes. You know, feel me? And when they say you did this and you did that, you say, you lying, then you got to go to trial. Or you sign a plea agreement, which is an agreement agreeing that what they putting in this affidavit, you did. Okay? And that's cooperating with the government. When you do not cooperate with the government, you tell them, fuck y'all, I ain't do none of this shit, bitch. Take this shit to trial, ho. I'm going to trial, bitch. You're not being cooperative, okay? We said you did this. You said you didn't. You ain't cooperating? All right, we finna try to take you and give your ass 1,000 years then, bitch, since you don't want to cooperate. Just because they say cooperation, it does not mean telling. People got to understand that as a people. They get these terms fucked up. Just because in another sense, cooperating does mean cooperating with the police and getting people in trouble and doing 5K1 downward departures and Rule 35 downward departures. And that kind of cooperation to wiggle yourself out of something is different. When you just get in trouble and charged with something, nigga, and you sign your plea agreement in a timely manner, that's called cooperation as per Article 1 of the safety valve, okay? So number 1 is cooperation in a timely manner, meaning pleading guilty in a timely manner. I could have just said it like that, but they word it as cooperating. They don't say he pled out in a timely manner. It don't word like that. It words that he cooperated in a timely manner. That's how it words. So we got to school these people so they understand the terminology to know that just because they said cooperating, it don't mean they said snitch. Now, hold on. Now, the next part about this safety valve is no criminal history. Your criminal history has to be 0, meaning you've never been in trouble or never had a felony, never been to jail before. At 27 years old, by the time I went to the feds, it was my first time ever going to getting a felony. My nigga was my first offense, bro. And then the number 3 qualification to be awarded the safety valve without telling is you have to is plea out in a timely manner is number 2, and then number 3 to qualify is no violence in your charges or gun. So if I got a gun or violence, I'm not eligible for the safety valve unless I use Article 2 and tell and cooperate with the government and do a Rule 35 or a 5K1 downward departure. Then I could be awarded the safety valve. What the safety valve does is it enables the judge to go outside of the sentencing guidelines It also enables you to get a year off of your sentence by completing a 500-hour residential drug program that everybody that go to the feds that get qualified for it, that qualifies for it, tries to take. That's the big thing in the feds. As soon as you get there, bro, you getting a year off, you getting a year off, you getting a year off, you getting a year off. Everybody want to know who getting a year off from the drug program in the feds. So it's a big thing in the feds, the drug program. It ain't nothing but a bunch of classes for 500 hours while you in prison doing your time, right? So those three things awarded me the safety valve. I qualified. I didn't have to go to Article 2 of the safety valve and become a rat or an informant or tell. So people try to say, yeah, but they took you to a debriefing and you had to tell them everything you knew. But this is where people was wrong at. Because if you back up this whole story and you remember that I told you that this nigga told in 2004, he started telling the story in 2004. They picked up Big Meech and Southwest T and all of the rest of them niggas, 89, 98 niggas in 2005. And that's when the whole story was told. Okay? That's when the story was told. And then I got picked up in 2006 at the end of it, almost 2007. So many niggas had told by the time I got to prison, there was nothing left to tell, even if I did want to tell. And that's exactly what my lawyer told them people. Well, even if Blue wanted to tell, he ain't got nothing to tell. All these niggas done told y'all everything. They done told so much, they done told shit Blue didn't even know. Is what my lawyer is saying to the government. Y'all talking about, do he got some information? Now y'all know good and damn well y'all got way more information than Blue got with all these motherfuckers that y'all done arrested. Hell nah, Blue ain't got no more information. These fuck niggas done told it all to y'all already. That was my standpoint when I got locked up. Bro, y'all been into this case for well over 2 years now. Y'all know I ain't got no information that y'all didn't know. Even if I did, bitch, I ain't giving it up. I ain't have to say that to him. I ain't have to say, even if I do know that about this nigga, know about that nigga, I ain't telling y'all. I didn't taunt the government or no shit like that. I just say, hey, bro, from all this shit that y'all showed me that these niggas done said, it ain't nothing for me to tell y'all if I wanted to motherfucking tell y'all something, bitch. That's it. I ain't got no information for y'all. I'm reading shit in this shit that I didn't even motherfucking know. Y'all telling me some shit about these pussy niggas that I didn't even know.
What's up? This is Cam Capone. We got more content like this coming soon. So hit that like button, subscribe, and stay locked in to Cam Capone News.